Good morning, it's Joseph Brandley with Pillar to Post Home Inspection. You may not recognize me, but I've been around HCAR for a while and I'm serving on several committees and I teach classes there often. I'm the franchise business owner for Pillar to Post. And if you haven't heard of us, we are the largest home inspection company in North America with over 500 independently owned franchises in the US and 100 in Canada. So I own the Baltimore area, which includes Baltimore City and the 5 surrounding counties. So you may be asking yourself, why is he wearing that crazy cowboy hat to do this video? Well, you'll have to come to the HCAR Summer Soiree on Thursday evening, August 8th, and find out for yourself. So just to give you a little hint, I'm the karaoke sponsor, and I'm from the Midwest. Come on out. I hope you'll join us and have a whopping good time.